Okay, so this is sort of step one in building the v.king. And of course you do the frame first with the extrusions and the corner cubes. And then you move on to the corner brackets. So these are 28 corner brackets. And make sure you get all the T-nuts inside the extrusions, but as you do, you tend to forget someone. And I want to reinforce, this is the bottom of the cube, so I want to reinforce this even more. So I want to have one corner bracket also here. And I, of course, forgot to put the nuts inside. But all you do is, when you already have these corner brackets in place, you can take off the corner cube. And I have to pause a little bit. I got my T-nuts, and all we need to do now is to put the T-nuts inside where we forgot where we need them. So I need two. You only need to take off two corner brackets. I need two inside here, and I need two inside here. Then we have those in place, and we can place the corner bracket again. So all you do now is to tighten these guys, not too much. Do never over tighten anything in the aluminium. Okay. So now we can move on to place the inner angle. So now we have the T-nuts inside. So one over there, one over here, one over this other side, and one over there. So make sure you tighten this one now before you re-tighten the rest of the corner. So we got that one in place. Now we can tighten this one a little bit more. So I did just release it a little bit, and then I tighten. Never over tighten these ones. So never over tighten. You do not need to use a lot of force on these guys. Done this one. We have done this one. We have done that one. Now let's do this one. So I can just lift off this corner cube. Now we have all the necessary T-nuts. So one there, one there, one there, and I'm gonna get some screws and some attach the brackets. So that is all four corners taken care of. Beautiful. And this is the bottom of the cube. Tilt me. Oh, like this. This is a very simple and cheap solution. These 4 door stoppers comes at €4, I think. So then we have these 4 legs. Will be a perfect fit on the lac table. Here we go. We have some more parts ready. These are the X-idlers. So those are soon to be attached.